Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we are going to learn the application of differentiation under velocity and acceleration. I'm going to explain what velocity is and what acceleration means also. Now, but take this. Suppose a particle moves a distance x in meters, s meters, after t seconds, and have the function s is equal to, okay, let me write it here, s equal to t cubed minus 3t squared plus 2t minus 5. Alright, now to explain velocity and acceleration. Velocity is the rate of change of the motion of an object, the rate of change of the motion of an object, while acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time taken. Rate of change of velocity with time. Now, velocity v, which can be the s over the t. So we are going to differentiate s with respect to t. So that will be 3t squared minus 6t plus 2. And then this is 0. So this is the velocity of the particle. And then the acceleration a, which is the v over the t, or the square s over the t squared is equal to, now differentiate the velocity again, and then you have 6t minus 6. So this is the acceleration, while this is the velocity. I repeat again, velocity is the rate of change of distance with time taken, while acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Alright, let's pick this example and solve. Example 1. After t seconds, a particle has gone s meters, where s equal to c raised to the power of 3 minus 6 raised to the power of t squared plus 9t minus 5. Then find the time in seconds it takes for its velocity and acceleration to be 0. Calculate the velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. Alright, so we are going to solve this problem, after t seconds, a particle moves or a particle has gone s distance, where s is given as t cubed minus 6t squared plus 9t minus 5. Find the time in seconds it takes for its velocity and acceleration to be 0. Then calculate the velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. Alright, solution to the problem. Solution. Now we are going to find the velocity and acceleration of the function. That is the function given. Now, since we have s equal to t cubed minus 6t squared plus 9t minus 5. Now, the velocity, which is the s over the t, is equal to, this is 3t squared minus 12t plus 9. Okay, and then the acceleration, or let's do it one after the other. The velocity when it is 0. Now we are asked to find time. The time when the velocity is at 0. So to find time when the velocity is at 0, when v equals to 0, we have 3t squared minus 12t plus 9 equal to 0. So what we need to do is to solve the equation, the quadratic equation. Divide through by 3, we have 3 squared minus 4t plus 3 equal to 0. So to solve this, we have to look for two factors that sum up to minus 4t and whose product is 3t squared. So that will give us, have t squared minus t minus 3t plus 3 equal to 0. We are trying to factorize the quadratic equation. So pick the first two. What is common is t into t minus 1. And then we have minus 3 is common, which is t minus 1 equal to 0. So we have t minus 1 and t minus 3 equal to 0. So in this case, t is equal to 1 or t is equal to 3. So the time in seconds, so we have to put the time in second, 1 second, and or t equal to 3 seconds. So the time at the point where the velocity is 0 are 1 second or 3 seconds. Now for the acceleration which is the v over the t equal to, so we are going to differentiate this, and that will be 6t minus 12. Okay, at the point where a is equal to 0, when a equals to 0, we have the v over the t, or we just insert 6t minus 12 equal to 0, and then continue with the solution. At this point, we say 6t equal to 12. So looking at it, we see that t at this point is equal to, divide through by 6, we have 2 seconds. So at the point where the acceleration is equal to 0, the time taken at that point is 2 seconds. So the next thing the question requires us to do is to find the velocity and the acceleration after 4 seconds. So let's do that quickly. So to find the acceleration and the velocity. So velocity v, which is 3t squared minus 12t plus 9 after 4 seconds. So that will be v equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 square minus 12t plus 9. So we have v equal to, this is 16, 3 into 16 minus 12, and this is 4. So we have 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48 plus 9. So we have v equal to 3 times 16 is 48 minus 48 plus 9. So the velocity v is equal to 9 meter per second. So this is the unit of velocity. So the velocity of the particle after 4 seconds is 9 meter per second. Now for the acceleration, which is 60 minus 12. Now after 4 seconds. So that will be acceleration equal to 6 multiplied by 4 minus 12. So A equal to 24 minus 12. And then our solution A equal to 12 meter per second square. Meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. So this is the solution of the problem